Alright guys, just wanted to make a quick video here to show you guys a few things to look out for on the E36 door handles. I think this should apply to all models. Even the TI and the Z3s as well will have the same issue. But here we were just wrapping up, swapping the wafers over into my new donor handle. As you can see, it's fully decked out. It's even got these little bump stops that most don't have by now. I managed to salvage those off of my handle. And number one overlooked piece right here. From the factory, there's a bushing here, but everyone's cars nowadays has just this metal rod. Well, that's the piece that goes up in the door and attaches to the latch mechanism and unlocks your door. Basically what happens is, without this extra thickness, you're having to do weird techniques like the knee method or whatever, pushing up on your door to like try to ease the tension. Basically the latch is overextending. Without the spacing, that bushing there, the handle is overextending, trying to just unlatch the latch, and that's why it's so hard to open these doors sometimes, and that's what leads to the failure of these things breaking. Passenger door is like on the verge of snapping anytime soon, so I gotta address that too. If you know, you know.